Welcome back to the channel, guys. In this video, we'll be learning about P1 vulnerability. It is called local file inclusion. I guess many of you will already know about this vulnerability. Uh, it basically means that when an attacker is able to read sensitive files from a server, it is called local file inclusion. So it can be the password file, or it can be some server information file or something else as well. So basically, if most of the pen testers try to find vulnerable parameters like ID or redirect URL or something else, where we inject our LFI payload, or we start directly fuzzing to find if LFI is present. But there's another way to perform LFI, which I will show you. Basically, if you don't have the cyberfox browser and this extension, I will be dropping it in the description. Just download it. It's a great great method to manually pen test websites and applications. So to start, we will be demonstrating on reddit.com. So this is the link. Let's start our let's give the first payload here. Um, as we can see, we are receiving some data. So it is not mandatory that we have to find vulnerable parameters and then only we can find some kind of LFI or something else. Let's try another one. We can see that we are receiving it. So this is the easy way to find LFI. You can try multiple payloads over here. Like if normal payloads are not working, you can try base 64 payloads. Like you can you can try null bytes, base 64 payloads, or anything else as well. So it completely depends upon how you research. If you ask me to give some kind of suggestion to you, I would tell you that it's always better to find all the subdomains. You can install a tool named Aquaton. Uh, this is a tool. Uh, you can install this tool. This tool is basically a subdomain finder, but it gives you the screenshot of every subdomain it finds. So basically, if you can get come to know that which subdomains are redirecting us to admin panels or something sensitive, we can try to try launching our attack on that subdomain. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope I see you in the next video. If you have any kind of doubt or have any kind of suggestion for the upcoming videos, do let us know in the comment section. Stay tuned for more such content. Bye bye.